Welcome back to my channel. Well, this will be my first ever Beyblade unboxing. This is a Midfake Rock Leone, not a real one. I bought it off Bonnie's store on Aliexpress. There's the code, D2512. And yeah, I'm going to be checking the quality on this, as I do need to replace parts for my real Takara Rock Leone. I'm using these two parts because I had nothing else to put this thing together. I'm using this to get a new WB and a 145, but I want to check everything. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. Hold on. I'll open it. Okay, it's already open. See the quality of the new Bay. Stickers already don't look too great. The parts look good though. Do like the parts. Here's the Bay. See what kind of quality this has being a Midfake. Let's see. I don't even know if it is a Midfake yet. Might actually not be, but 12 is not a particularly great number. If this is real, then I'm very surprised that this is real. I'll check the Facebook code. Oh my. Oh, the energy doesn't come. Oh my. Hold on, is this thing real? No way. No way, is this thing real? Hold on. I have to check the Facebook. It is not real, but it is so high quality. This is ridiculous. This metal wheel appears to have no extra shavings. This is ridiculous. The code is actually in the metal wheel as well. This feels like a real one. I remember opening up my real Rock Leone. This is exactly what this metal wheel felt like. This is ridiculous. That's really cool. Hold on. This might be the highest quality Midfake I've ever seen. Here's the energy ring. It should have a code. This is so well made. If I compare it to my real Leone, it's basically basically the same thing. Basically. I mean, I'm not sure how different it is. We'll have to do a comparison. So far, I'm very impressed. So far, I'm very impressed with the quality of this Midfake. So far, very impressed. Which means that if this Bay from Bonnie's store is super high quality, then there's no reason to buy the real one anymore, guys. If this thing is just as good, how are the stickers? They feel pretty cheap. Feel pretty cheap. And let's see the other parts, how they are. The wide ball feels, it feels really good. Oh my. Ooh, I like this. It's not missing basically any chipping. This is awesome. And the 145 feels good as well. This is very good. All right, I'm gonna put together the Beyblade. This is crazy. I can't believe that this is such a high quality Midfake. I still can't believe this right now. I can't believe that Bonnie's store makes such high quality Midfakes. This is insane. See how well this sticks together though. Oh my. It's really good. This is solid. I'm very proud of this. This looks actually really good. This is a really high quality Midfake. I'm actually legitimately impressed. I am legitimately impressed. I guess I'll keep these parts for reference then. That's insane. This metal wheel is so high quality. Oh, it's chipped a little bit. It's got a few chips. It's still really good, though. I'll compare these parts now with my real Rock Leone. Now, I don't have a WB or a 145, but I do have the first 3 parts. Here's my real Rock Leone that I bought for $30 back in 2017. I'm going to go ahead and compare these parts. So, the parts aren't different basically at all. There's like no differences between these parts. They're basically the same, and they both have the same code on the metal wheel. They both have the same, well, this one says B2, this one says B3. But they look basically the same. There seems to be no difference, except the original has no cuts, has no miscuts. They're both basically the same weight. This one feels a little heavier. Obviously, my real Leone has a code. Now, this facebolt is not its original facebolt. This is from a random booster, so it's not going to have a code. But wow, this is so impressive. I can't believe it. Now, the energy rings. Usually, the energy rings can give away a fake Beyblade, but this time I don't see a difference. Oh no. This time, I don't see a difference at all. The mid-fake's actually clearer. Whoa! The mid-fake is clearer. Look at that. Oh, that's ridiculous. The mid-fake is better quality. Oh my. I'm going to compare what the stickers look like. Hold on. Again, well, I'm not sure because these stickers, they look to be faded out. They don't look to be the same quality. Yeah, they're darker. Yeah, they're darker for sure. Yeah. As for the facebolt, doesn't look too bad. You see a difference? I'm not sure if I want to even use these stickers or not. They don't look too bad, so maybe I'll keep them. And the instruction booklet is your normal instruction booklet. So now I'm going to put together my bay, and the parts that it's supposed to have. So I put together my Rock Leone finally after many a time that I haven't had this thing together. So and it seems like it's backwards. Ouch. That ain't good. Seems to actually be backwards, which is fine. I can probably do something about that. My Rock Leone is finally finished again. I might have to replace the sticker though, because I don't want it on this side, but still so cool. Rock Leone is back to normal. Overall rating of this mid-fake. I am insanely surprised. I don't believe this right now, but this is the best mid-fake I've ever opened. There's no question about it. This is the highest quality mid-fake that exists right now. This is absolutely insane. I compare this to real quality and it feels so good. It feels incredible. I'm very impressed with this. I'm very impressed with this. I'm keeping all these parts. This is absolutely ridiculous. I can't believe that this mid-fake is such high quality. Guys, if you want Rock Leone, get the mid-fake. I advise you. I bought this off of Aliexpress, Bonnie's store. This bay will be about $9 with shipping, so about $14. This is the best Beyblade I've ever opened for a mid-fake. I've never seen anything better than this, because I remember my original Leone opening. The metal was just like this. I promise you, it was the same. And this energy ring actually looks better than the original as well. This is absolutely astounding. This is incredible. Wow. Here they are side by side. The parts I'm using are from the Midfake. I needed these parts, so I'm so very happy that Leone is back to normal. Signing off. Have a good day.